To deposit cash at a Drive-thru PNC bank, start by driving up to the branch and opening your vehicle's window. A teller will remotely connect with you and ask how they can assist. Let them know you'd like to make a cash deposit. Next, retrieve the capsule from the tube by pulling on the bottom part. Then slide open the lid at the top. Place your state-issued ID, PNC debit card, and the cash you want to deposit into the capsule. Close the lid and insert the capsule into the pneumatic tube. Ensuring the upper part goes in first, press the green Send button, which will use vacuum pressure to transfer the capsule to the teller. After the teller processes the deposit, they will return the capsule with your ID, debit card, and a receipt. Remove your documents and return the capsule to the tube. The deposited funds should be available in your account on the same business day. Notably, this process does not require knowledge of your card's PIN code. Alternatively, you can use a PNC Bank ATM to deposit cash, but this method will require you to enter your PIN.